Hello everyone. Today project is fake job recruitment detection. It means that we find out the posting job is fake or real. So first you will use this library import PyForest. It's working. The second is a df variable dataset name, then pd.csv, and this is the path of the dataset. Fake job dataset name is fake job posting dot csv, and I give the condition. It show the 20 rows, and you can see requirement benefits and telecommunication. By default, if I am not giving any condition, that it show the how many rows, so it show only 5 rows. The next one is the shape, rows and columns. So these are the rows 17880 and 18 columns. Information, these are the object type, integer type. So job id, integer type, title, object type, all these the types. Now see the statistical value. So it give the job id, it count only numeric value. Telecommunicating has company logo, has question, and fraudulent. The next is I want to see that how many data types which include the object type as well as boolean type. So it show all columns. So df dot select data type, it is in which function where I pass the include in which I want to see the object, which column is it, object type or boolean type, dot column. So it show the all column which have object type as well as boolean type. So these are the title, location, department, salary range, company profile, description. These are the columns which have object as well as boolean. Now check the missing value. So there are a lot of missing value like a location, department, salary range, company profile, description, requirement, employee type, requirement experience, requirement education, industry, function, all have null value. Now let's see these null value by visualization using the. So you can see that it show the chart, job id and title, there is no any null value, so it show the totally blank. You can see job id, title, there is no any. Next one is the location, there is very little bit null value, so it show the, this one is the location. And then next is the department has lot of null value, so it show the also salary range also have lot of null value, department and salary range. So it show the where is the null value, it show the white portion. Give the df dot fill na, use for the fill the, and then give the bracket, single bracket, and in place equal true. So it fill the value by none value. After filling the value, the data remains same, so it's working. Now next check the null value, so there is no any null value. Now again check using the heat map, so you can see the chart, it show that there is no any null value. When there is a null value, it should like this, and after fill the null value, it look like this. Now there are some column which we not require, so we drop the column df dot drop, where I pass the columns. And which column? Job ID, salary range, tally community, has company logo, has question, and then in place equal true. It's working. Now you can check it. So there is no any job ID. It is start for the title. So it drop the column. The next is the using the label encode, where we pass the label. Label is the column, new column name, where we I pass if the label equal to 1, or it show that this is the fake job, or if it equal to 0, it means the real post job. So df, this is the new create column name label. And then again is a fraudulent, fraudulent, fraud, fraudulent dot apply function. Then I'm using the lambda x colon 1 if x equal to 1, else 0. If loop is 1, then it means that fake job, and if 0 means real job. It's working. The next one is the we count the title, how much title or and fraud jobs. So these are the fraud job. It count the fraud job. Data entry to the 10 value, column 10 means first 10 values. The same thing is there. Count the title or real job. How many types of real job are there? So you can see that there is the English teacher abroad, have 311, customer service associate. These are the real job. Df dot fraudulent equal to 0. 0 means because loop means real job. Now let's see the visualization about the how much it look like a real job or fake job. It give also the total number of. So this is the title 0 stand for the real job. So real job title are 17014 and fake job are 1. So 8 1 means fake job, 1 is 866. So this is the graph about the real and fake job. So real job are 16,000, and this is the number of fake job. The next one is the we combine the title and description. These are the column name. These now we concatenate these two column into one column, like create a new column tax. This is the new column name tax, and where df title is the column name, dataset column name. If you remember, this is the title and description. So it's working. Df text, then this is the title name, plus use for the concatenate function, plus use for the concatenate, and also this one is also the column name. Now see, so you can see it create the new column name this one is the text new column name, and it concatenate the two column values. Marketing internal is the title name, and food 52 a fast growing gems. This is the, if you no, market title is my marketing internal, and that food 52 a fast growing gems. So it combined the two column values. The next is the, we use in the regular expression. So regular expression, we know that it is like a character which used for the pattern, like a dot, dot. It is stand for the wild card, plus caret sign, asterisk sign, question mark, and many more symbol are used. So we can remove these symbols. So df, it remove only the new create column. Df, that I give the new create column name text, then df dot str dot lower. It means str dot lower, it means that which column values are in the text column, it show in lowercase. It convert the all column values in lowercase, or also replace these values tx df and text dot d str dot replace, then caret sign a z capital A, also z capital 09 backslash, and then stand regular expression equal to. So it convert the text value in lower case, or remove the all non alpha character. Let's see output. So you can see the text output. So making internal food 52 is fast growing. It is the small letter, all are the small letter. If we compare the upper one, these are the text is a marketing is a capital letter, but now we give the command, so it converted into the small letter. Okay, the next one is the group by function, where we use the group by it is the company profile, and give the description, and give also show the total number of the company profile. So it will take some time. This is the company profile, value add team, and also the, this is the description. Okay, the next one is the same thing I want to see in the chart format. So df dot plot, where I pass the kind equal bar, and plt dot x level, where I pass the company profile column name, and then plt dot y level, where I pass the column name description. This is the title, and plt asterisk is rotation equal 90, and plt dot show asterisk, it show the column name in space wise. Now you can see the chart, it show the fraud job, and this is the label which I have create label. So and this is the company profile. Okay, the next one is group by department and employee type, then show the total number of. So, so you can see that to corporate share service lower level management is requirement for the full time, part-time, and marketing also have full-time. Money technology have temporary type. So it give the all department, and it was requirement for the some employee type is some is full-time job, and some is part-time job. The next is the using the group by function, where I pass the benefit column name and requirement experience also column name dot aggregate function, and then pass the column name also industry and sum. This is it give the sum of the industry and sorted value, then pass the industry and ascending equal false. So these are the benefit if they have requirement experience, the person have requirement experience, their internship entry level, or these this is the industry type is writing and writing, this is the industry type, and they give the what is give the benefit, it give the benefit if the requirement is fulfill, that they give the these type of benefit. Now check the function is also column name value, count the value. So there are different types of function, you can say that there are different types of job category: information technology, sales engineer, customer service, marketing, administration. So it give the count the value, these are the values. The information technology have requirement is 1749 vacancies, sale have 1468 vacancies. Now show it the biographical. So it look like information technology is this one. First have the less than 1000 requirement, next one is at 1000, then third one is have 600. So it show by the chart. The next is using the heat map and using the correlation. I want to see the correlation between all the data. So this is the label, and fraudulent fraud job is a one, then this is also fraud, and this is the label, and it give the graph of the fraud job and real job. The next is the feature engineering. I'm using the so where I am using the X, where I pass the text is the new column name, and Y I pass the also the create the new both column name. Now print it. So this is the value X and Y. Okay. Now training and testing the data, splitting the so using the sklearn model and selection report, train and test, then also X train, X test, Y test, and train test split X Y test. Size is 0.3, means 30% is training data and 30% testing data, and random state 0. So it's working. Now look the shape of the X train and X test. To it give the shape of the X train. Same is the Y. Both are same. Next module is a from sklearn.feature extraction text import tfid f vector riser. It used to convert the text data into numeric. Okay, then so we use this as vectorizer. Now create a method this is the method name tfidf, and then pass the tfdi vectorizer, where I pass the matrix. It show that it convert the text data into numerical with matrix size. I have given the matrix size is 3000. Then create a new variable x train, and then give the tfidf. You can give anything, and then I pass the tfidf is a method name, then fit dot transform, where I pass the x train, and same thing is the x test, then I pass the x test. So it's working. The next is I am using the random forest. Random forest work on the numerous decision tree. It's working. Now initialize the random forest. So this is the variable name, create RFC, then pass the random forest, where estimator is 100 and random is set 42, and then RFC method name the dot fit, where we fit the x train, this one, and y train. So it's also working. Now predict the value. Y predict is a variable name. There I pass the method which I have create RFC dot predict, and there I pass the x text and print the y print. So it show you the array format 000. The next is used for the classification report. So classification report display the display the precision, recall, F1 score, or accuracy. It's working. Now check the accuracy. Accuracy is 1.0. Now classification report. Then so classification record, it show the precision, recall, F1 and score. So it give the accuracy, and macro recall is also F1 score is also 1.00. And next one is the confusion matrix visualization. Confusion matrix used to the visualize the model performance, which include with the true, false, and positive and negative. So it give the 5 3, the shape of the the same thing using the visualization in the confusion, using the confusion matrix. So you can see the confusion matrix, where is the true label is real, and the predict level false. It show the output in true, false, positive and negative way. So this is the computer. This also show the 5364 is the real job. Now the next one is using the feature importance. So feature importance used for the machine learning, also known as a variable or attributes. It also have the some categories, like a numeric category, and categorical features or ordinary features also. So the feature importance, this is the name, where I pass the RFC is a random forest method name dot feature importance. This is the inbuilt function. This is the variable where I pass the also the name variable name dot get feature name out, also inbuilt function, and then pass the features. So it show the array 10, 100, 1000, UV, Zealand. It's a country name. It show the. Now create the new data set, data frame, and also visualize it. Underscore df, you can take anything, then pd dot data frame, and I am using the dictionary bracket, then curly braces where I pass features, then colon, then give the features, and same thing is this is the key value. Next I pass the key importance and print the vi underscore df. So this is the feature and importance. 10, 100 features are 10, 100, 1000, 12, 15. So feature enhance the model performance also, or it also fast training time, or reduce the overfitting data. The next, so there is the 3000 rows and 2 column. These are the column. This is the key and this is the value. Now next one is also is a variable name where I pass the vi underscore df dot sort value, and by is equal to I pass the importance, ascending is equal is false, dot head it show the, and where I pass the 10 it give the conditions, so it show the 10 rows. So this is the feature importance. Also same in 2003 there is the features for plus, and importance is 0094, also plant 95 a plant for form, and there 97 play, then 98 player. Then ne- next let's see the same thing in the visualize how it look by the. So plt dot figure size 10 8, and using the bar plot where x I pass the importance, and next y pass the features, and data is equal vi underscore df, and this one the title, it show the 10 rows, and plt dot show. So it will take some time. So this one is the features, and this is the importance. 10 importance, this is the private growth environment. So this project we find out that which job posted are fake or real. Thank you.